This is packed with vitamins, mineral, and antioxidants. Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Ada Beauty Skincare House of Beauty. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make orange peel powder for a skin tone, for a lightening skin, for acne, for wrinkles, for dull skin. Guys, orange powder is a natural herbal powder for beautiful skin. You all know orange is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. You are not paying any money. It's just a way of encouraging us. It's just a way of growing our channel. It's just a way of supporting us. You are not paying any money. They are not taking any money from your data. So guys, if you want to know how I make this my orange peel powder, come with me to my kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to make. Okay beauties, make sure to wash your oranges before you use them. Even if the oranges are organic, make sure to wash them first. Please, it is important because this is going to your skin. Orange contains vitamin C. It makes your skin to look so beautiful and it brightens and it improves oily skin. Guys, if you have dark spots, acne, wrinkles, pigmentation, this is good. You can use it to make a face pack. You can use it to make a face toner, a face wash. You can use this on your soap. So you can use orange peel in different form to take care of your skin. It contains antioxidants which slow down wrinkles, sagging skin. Guys, it helps to unclog pores and reduce blackhead. You can use orange peel to lighten up your skin naturally without using any form of chemicals. So guys, make sure to subscribe and leave your comments below. Share this video. Guys, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I have a lot of stuff to show you all. I have a lot of stuff to show you all. Just subscribe to support me. You're not paying any money. It's not going to occupy any space from your phone. It's just a way of supporting me. That is it, guys. It's just a way of supporting me and growing my channel. So guys, you can use your grater and you can also use your knife to peel out your orange peel. So I prefer using my knife to do this than the grater because when I use the grater it came out really tiny, which I don't like. So now guys, this is it. I'm just going to put mine on the sun. You can use your oven, but I prefer using the sun. The sun is better. So guys, this is summertime. I'm really going to make a lot of this. I'm going to make a lot of this because during the winter time there is no sun to dry this out. There is no sun and I don't like using my oven. The last time I tried it, I burnt my orange peel powder. So guys, this is it. You can see how it looks now. It is fully dried. I sunned this for just one day because the sun is 38 degrees here now. So you can see this is it, guys. Now I'm going to blend my and voila, you have your orange peel powder. Guys, this is so good. Make sure to do this and keep it in your house. You don't need to buy orange peel powder from any supermarket, from from Amazon or whatsoever. Make yours. It's simple. Make yours. Okay beauties, I'm done blending. So this is how it came out. Take your time to blend yours so that it will come out in a powder form, very smooth. So guys, use this on your skin. You can use this to make a face pack. You can use this for your soap. You can add this to your smoothie. It's good for skin and head. Thanks for watching. I love you all and see you in my other next video. Bye.